If you're holding ZBCN, XRP, or you want a simple blueprint to grow your wealth this crypto cycle, this video is for you. Today I'll break down realistic profit targets for ZBCN, what XRP can actually do this cycle, and the safest, most beginner-friendly strategy to grow your wealth using stablecoins without gambling your money away. Let's get started. 1. The reality of this bull cycle. Before we jump into numbers, you need to understand this. This bull cycle will reward utility coins, projects connected to payments, compliance, real-world value, and institutional adoption will lead. That's why ZBCN, XRP, and stablecoins are becoming the safe triangle for smart money. ZBCN, real-time streaming payments, plus growing ecosystem, XRP, cross-border settlement, plus regulatory clarity growing stablecoins. Preserve profits, earn yield, build wealth without risk. Now let's break down each one. 2. ZBCN this cycle. What is realistic? ZBCN has hype, yes, but more importantly, it has product demand. Bull case. If ZBIC pulls off, continuous blockchain payroll, high transaction volume, real-world integrations, then a 20 to 40 times move from current levels is possible. Base case, most realistic. A 10 to 15 times run is where most analysts agree this cycle may land. Bear case A, 3 to 5 times move if the market slows down or development delays. Why ZBCN could surprise everyone. It fits the ISO 2022 payments narrative. It is connected to real companies and fintech behavior. It has community strength. Smart money is positioning early. If you're holding ZBCN, this is a cycle of accumulation plus patience plus strategic exits. 3. XRP. This cycle, realistic targets. Forget the crazy $500 or $10,000 predictions. Let's talk real data plus adoption plus liquidity. Base scenario, XRP gains clarity. Institutional testing increases. More ODL usage returns. Realistic target, $1.50 to $3.50. Bullish scenario, payments adoption accelerates. Banks integrate RippleNet, deeper liquidity grows. Target $5 to $7 mega bull case. Real utility demand spikes, full global corridor expansion. A 10 plus XRP is possible, but only with massive adoption. Don't count on it, but stay prepared. Why XRP still matters. Ripple is pushing real-world payment rails. Big banks quietly integrate compliance solutions. ISO 2022 aligns perfectly with XRP. In this cycle, XRP is less about moon predictions and more about steady, safer growth with long-term upside. 4. The trap most new investors fall into. People buy coins, price pumps, price crashes, they panic, repeat. The number one reason people never build wealth, they never secure profits. They never learn to use stablecoins properly. Now let's fix that. 5. How to grow wealth using stablecoins. Stablecoins are not just for holding. They're the most powerful tool in crypto wealth building. Here's the 3-step golden strategy. Step 1. Take profits into stablecoins. When ZBCN or XRP pumps, take 10 to 20% profits each time it runs 30 to 50%. Move earnings into USDT, USDC, or FDUSD. This locks in gains. Step 2. Get yield without risk. Stablecoins earn passive income. Centralized exchanges, 5 to 12% APY. Staking platforms, 8 to 20% APY. DeFi, safe protocols only, 5 to 10%. Your money grows even when the market is crashing. Step 3. Buy back. Dip with stablecoins. When the bull cycle cools down, stablecoins give you instant power to buy dips. You enter the next cycle with more coins plus more profits. This transforms small portfolios into large ones. 6. Example strategy for ZBCN and XRP holders. Let's say you invest $500 in ZBCN, $500 in XRP. If both 10 times, you now have $10,000. But instead of waiting for the top, you take profits slowly at each pump. You move into stable coins, you earn passive yield, you buy dips later. End result, your wealth compounds. Your risk drops, your future cycles become bigger and easier. This is how long-term investors win. ZBCN has huge upside. XRP is still one of the strongest payment cryptocurrencies. But the real secret to growing wealth is simple. Buy good assets, take profits on the way up. Grow those profits using stablecoins. Reinvest during fear, not greed. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe for more simple, powerful crypto insights. Your support helps this channel grow, and I appreciate you. See you in the next one.